Hey y'all, I'm back in storage. I done pulled out everything. This is the new storage. It's about 7:30 a.m. Monday, July the 13th. This is my trash to treasure find. Somebody was throwing the shelving out with all the poles. I'm gonna put two pieces together. Okay, this is my trash to treasure. Somebody was throwing these out. Look at that, I just put it together. I have two more here, but I only have enough for one more shelf. So I got gypped out of 3 of these poles. But I'm not gonna throw that extra shelf away, because once I move and my husband gets his garage, he can build me 2 poles, or I could put an L racket on this and use it for like a shelf or something in my she shed. So this is the second one, trash to treasure, free find. Somebody laid it out for garbage and I scooped it up and put it right on the back of my truck. I done washed it down with Lysol and bleach, and I am super psyched. As you can see, I've already stacked everything. I don't really have it in order yet, but I know when I started, I'm using the bottom shelf for things that I'm not doing right now. This shelf here is like all my supplies. This is all my ribbon, all my glitter. There's Truly Bear's Hello Kitty, and then I have stuff back there. I think that's like the St. Patrick's Day video. So all my tablescapes, all the little DIYs and stuff that I make will be here on these 2 shelving units for, you know, for each tablescape open invite. Hey y'all, I'm back. Now, as you can see, got this side all stacked up. My fabulous blow up bed when I travel. All this is Christmas and my art supplies. It's all my Christmas stuff, and I just have everything in my fabulous Dollar Tree bags that I tell y'all about. They're easier to stack than these big old totes if you have limited space. So these are the 2 shelves. As I mentioned before, somebody threw them out on their garbage, and I got them, cleaned them off, and they are stacked. Now this little bit of section right here will go for like my Hawaiian luau and my under the sea tablescape. I set a little bit of room for that stuff that's still sitting at the house. So I think I did very good today. I didn't focus too much on the heat. I got my Gatorade, and I am proud of myself. I got over here early, and this is the remnants of what is not going back into storage. These are my winter clothes. I am sitting that back in there. That's easier for me to get, being that we're almost in August. September's coming, and I don't want to have to dig in that other storage. So this is all garbage over here, and that's all my, I think I'm gonna put that in there, because when I start doing my crocheting, I'll know where to find that bag. This bag is just nothing but pillows. This box here, all my thrift store pillows that I'm gonna change the fabric on. So yeah, I did pretty good. And that's my table. I'm gonna put that back in here too. So once I get everything straightened at home, I'll be able to have my coffee table back again. All right, I'll be back, because I still got to put another thrift store find. It's going to go here against this wall. I'm praying that it fits. I'll be back.